Tonight, some people are making other holiday weekend plans after learning that 2 Jackson County beaches are going to be closed over the weekend.
And 2 of the most popular, Longview Lake and Blue Springs Lake. Fox 4's Reagan Porter's working for you to get some answers at Longview.
Longview and Blue Springs Lake beaches are both closed due to flooding. You can see the sand volleyball court here at Longview is more than halfway covered by water. What's normally a busy beach around the 4th of July, this year vacant. Longview Lake Beach is closed due to heavy rains and flooding in the area.
And so that certainly impacts how much water's coming into the lake and how soon it will go down.
Brian Nowotny with Jackson County Parks and Rec says Blue Springs Lake Beach is experiencing the same issue. Both beaches are closed for the weekend and until the water recedes.
Once the water recedes, we know we've got some restoration work that has to be done, namely cleaning the sand, removing the debris, cleaning out the erosion that happens when the water is receding. It always kind of cuts into the sand, so we have to add sand, clean the sand, and reshape it so it's safe for folks to be able to come out and enjoy the beaches.
The Little Blue River feeds into Longview Lake. Nowotny says some areas of the Little Blue Trace Trail and Longview Trail are also closed.
We're evaluating once the water goes down and doing restoration on those trails to be able to reopen them, so we just ask for the public's patience.
Michaela Loomis planned to hit the beach this holiday weekend until she saw the park ranger steering people to open parts of the lake. She settled for paddle boarding at Longview Lake today and drove to a different lake for the beach.
I had to go to the Shawnee Mission Park beach because of this one being closed, so a little further away, but it was still a good time.
Nowotny says they're taking it day by day, monitoring the high water. They hope to have the beaches open by Monday. The boat ramps are still open, but again, the beach is closed until the water recedes. We'll, of course, keep you updated in this story on Fox4KC.com. Reagan Porter, Fox 4, working for you.